Alright guys, I am very excited about this app that we're going to review right now. It's very fun. I can't wait to jump back in it and play. It's called Tank Stars by our friends at Legendary. They've been making a lot of games at Legendary, man. They've been making a lot of games, but this one's really cool. If you scroll down here, it's got 4.0 out of 5 stars. It's not bad, not bad. It's people, giving it good reviews and bad reviews. But let's go ahead and jump right in and open it. And let's go ahead and play it. Let's review this game real quick. This game plays in widescreen, so let me make this a little bigger for you guys to see. And if you guys are wondering how I'm able to stream my phone into my PC, I'm using an app called Visor. Okay, now it's loading. Alrighty, we're playing the game now. Now, when you first start the game, it's going to give you this tutorial right here. It's telling you how to aim and then how to fire. Alright, the explosions are big in this game. As you can notice, holy moly, look at that. Big old freaking explosion. Alright, let's see what we can do here. I think it's still doing the tutorial here. Now it's time to actually play this thing. Alright. So you move it to the right, to the left, or however you want to do it here. I'm going to give it an angle a little bit up here. I think that should reach him. Let's fire. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, that was so close, guys. That was close. Are those sheep walking around? What in the world? Look at those things. Oh, they're cows. Alright. Trying to figure out how to move the tank. If you guys figure out how to make the tank move, let me know. I'm trying to make it move around. Alright, let's try a... They're showing us where we're at before, I think. We gotta go a little bit higher. Let's go right there. Oh, my bad, not higher. We had to go shorter. My bad, my bad. That guy straight up sucks. Alright, well, I guess I suck too. Let's see. We're going to go a little bit shorter this time. Maybe somewhere around there. Fire. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I kind of suck at this right now. What I like about this game is the explosions. The explosions are badass on here. Let's go a little bit right there. Oh my god, I just keep freaking missing this guy. We blew up some cows. Alright, now it's starting to really get serious. I'll blow this guy to Kingdom Come. Let's try right there. Yeah, made some damage on him. So we're getting closer. I don't know what the heck he's firing over there. Alright. Go just a little bit higher from where we were at before. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. Got him right there. Rest in peace. That's funny. I like this game because it's the graphics are cool. It's very arcade. It's got that arcade feeling to it. Those are the games that I like, guys. Those are the games that I really, really like. Alright. So they have treasure chests here that you can open. Oh, big one. I wonder what that is. Okay, cool. Alright. Let's do this again. Okay, now it's letting me move the tank around. Okay, cool. Now I can move it around. Let's get as close as we can. Nuke. Alright, let's nuke this guy. But first, we gotta make sure we aim right. Let's try right there. Oh! Damn, son. Let's see what else we get. Alright, 500 coins. Alright. So versus computer. Let's choose a tank. Oh, look at this thing. Ah, we need money. We only got 900 coins, guys. I guess we're going to have to go with this guy, the Abrams tank. Alright. Let's try this again. Oh, shoot, we're going against that guy. So we have an ad that popped up down there, but it doesn't obstruct the gameplay, which is good. Let's go ahead and get as close as we can. As close as we can. Oh, we ran over a cow. Oh, no. Alright, now we get as close as we can, and let's just blast this guy to Kingdom Come right there. Let's use a nuke also. Use a big one. Let's do this. Oh! I didn't really damage him that much, did it? Oh, shoot. Oh, no, he's going to get really close to me. Oh, man. Oh, man, he got me good. Let's get closer again. I'm going to get so close that he's going to wish that he didn't mess with me. I think that's a little too close, though, if you ask me, but whatever. Go big or go home. Can I run over him? Oh, my God, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, man. I guess I'm going to have to blow both of us up together. Let's do it. Who cares? Let's do a shotgun because I'm right next to him. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's just funny. Alright, let's see what he decides to do. What the heck? That thing sucked. Alright. Let's do an airstrike on him. I don't even know how this works. Fire. What the? I'm blowing myself up. I'm still trying to learn how to play this game, alright guys? It's pretty fun, I like it. Pretty fun. I wouldn't do PvP right now the way this is. Oh, he just blew himself up. Okay. Well, that helps me. Let's get close to him. Like right there. I'm going to drop it right there. Boom! Heck yeah, not bad for my first time, huh? Yeah. Alright. Cool, now we can probably get another tank. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got. A big one. Cool, we got some bombs there. Alright, let's play one more game. I'm gonna buy a tank this time. I'm gonna buy this tank. Sweet. Alright. Cool. Alright, so we're gonna have to aim probably around here. I don't know what that thing does. Just fire. Fire! Close? That was close. What is that thing? It's got close to me. Oh, shoot. It kind of damaged me a little bit. Let's go a little bit higher. Let's try right there. I blew up a cow. Oh, man. Alright, let's see what happens here. Oh, my God. I'm getting slaughtered over here. Look at that. Alright. Let's do this high pressure one. Alright. Let's try right there. Oh. I thought that would get to him, man. What the heck? I'm gonna have to get closer, as close as I can. So I think freezing the area is helping him not get close to me. Yeah, that got me good. He's getting me good, man. I might lose this one. Let's get close to this dude. As close as possible. Maybe like right there. Perfect. Now we just aim right at him. Like right there. Let's do it. Yes! That's what I'm talking about right there. Perfect shot. Nice. Nice. I don't know what the heck that was, but it worked. Alright. Is he shooting at me with a machine gun? Are you freaking kidding me? Let's do a blizzard. Let's get this guy. Alright. See, we got him. We got him. Alright. Alright, I like this game. I really do. I like this game a lot. I like it. Alright guys, I had fun playing that game. I could have kept playing that until all night long and make this video an hour long, but I had to stop playing it so we can review it. Man, that was fun. I liked that game. I really did. One of the most favorite games that I've played so far, making these reviews for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and give that game 5 stars. Yeah, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. I love games where they they overestimate and they over exaggerate the explosions. I love it. That's why I like to watch Dragon Ball Z and the new Dragon Ball Super cartoon. If you guys are into Dragon Ball, you guys know what I'm talking about. How they exaggerate the power levels and the explosions and all that. That's how this app is. Tank Stars, man. I like it. I recommend it. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon in one of my next videos. Oh, and let me know what you think. What do you guys think? Do you guys play this game? Do you guys have fun playing it? Let me know in the comment section of the video. Have a good night, and I'll see you soon.